You are disguising yourself, huh? But you're busy. You smell something, no? That's why you are there, inside of this, in between of the plastic. I know you, Snow, Leo. See? I know, because you smell something inside of the plastic. You're terribly naughty. Hey! What are you doing there? See, guys, what he's doing. See? What are you doing? Huh? You're simple, huh? You're very simple but rat. Hey! Shh! Get out of that plastic. Get out, get out. It's dirty, you know? It's dirty. It's very dirty, my God. You don't want to make it.